It's day 155 of Zohar Pshat, and we're on Daf Yud Ches Amud Aleph. There's a big Shem Habaya, Yud Ke Vav Ke, which we're starting from, which is 3, 6, 9, 12 lines in the bottom. Towards the end of the line. Habaya, Echad U'Shmo Echad. Obviously, a well-known pasuk, right? Train Yichudin, Echad, Shmo Echad. Two unities. Chad Amalila. The first one. Avaya Echad. That's in the Olam Elyon. Now Zohar is going to talk about that Yichud and Olam Elyon, which is an absolute Yichud, as opposed to what happens in Olam Atachton. Chad Amalila, one's the world on high. Siachad B'dargoi, to be unified in its Madrega. Chad Amal one is on the world below. Siachad B'dargoi, to be unified in its Dargoi and its Madrega, Kshura the Yehuda the Amila ad Hachayu. And the connection of the Yehuda in the Olam Elyon reaches until here. But, as we shall see, very differently. Chai, how's the reach here? Chai Almin, the Chai Almin means the Midav Yisayid, if we said several times, the connection with the Lamas Tachtonim. Taman Ispasim becomes fragrant on high. In other words, what's going to cause the yichud down here below is the chayil amim, the substance of the world. It comes from on top, it gets the shefa, the fragrance from the olam elyon. Discussion amila bichud hilei v'inkach ikre mokom echad. That therefore it has its own. The Olam Elyon has its own special yichud. It's called Olam Makom Echad. Hashem Echad. It's the place of Echad. It's complete unity. Kol Dargin, all the madrigas, Kol Shaifin, and all levels. Miskanch them on gathered together there. I'm not sure if it's Bay or Bekah. It's not a bay, and all are in it. Chad, one below Pliru the cloud without any period whatsoever, without any distinction whatsoever. Lay starga the siachim tama the chuda chad elahai. There's no other madrega which is unified there in this kind in unity with oneness, except this one. In other words, everything on Olam Elyon has one seamless connection. Ubay is constant kulu. And they are all with this, and again, it could be because, like Hashem Surah Lamim, but when there, everything is covered. But Sasim in a closed, in a hidden way, but Tachad with one desire. In other words, everything is Ratzim Asos its own konam. I forget like that. Klosh Keladon. Smechim would say some Sasim Bam Osim Aim. No, that's not it. Anyway, whatever point is, they all have one desire to do Ratzon Hashem. Ador b'dargoda till here in this madrega, siyached, there comes the unified Amadis Galia, the concealed world down there below, Amadis Kasya, in the I say concealed. Amadis Galia is the revealed world. Amadis Kasya is the concealed world. Amadis Galia is siyached of Hachil. So when there's that connection through the Chayil Amim on high and below, so then our world also gets a unity. In that revealed world is the world here below. And we bring down a whole bunch of psukim now, which indicate how the Kavod Hashem can be manifest in this world and cause unity in this world. Eretz Hashem, Pasuk Yeshaya, Fire Yerusal Ke Yisrael, Pasuk Shmois, Kavod Hashem Nira, Pasuk Bamidbar, Vayar Yira Kavod Hashem. Another pasuk in Midbar. Now, Yechezkel Aleph, it's Kamare Hakeshes Kein Hamara Noga Saviv, Hud Muskavod Hashem. Now we're going to expound on this pasuk. So this revelation of Kavod Hashem down here below is like a rainbow, and it's a rainbow with a glow, right? The Kamare Hakeshes with Noga Saviv. It's a rainbow which has a glow surrounding it. Who mared muskvar Hashem? V'doy rosa, and this is the secret of Teirah Yabashah. That the when the land is revealed down here, kamara keshes. It's like a rainbow. B'zeh chayol amin, and this is the chayol amin being revealed. The The Zohar brings a bunch of cross references for this. B'zeh es kashtina santi ba'anon. And even though it happens much later, after the Mabul, the Kosh Baruch Hu puts the rainbow in the sky, in the cloud, that's actually descriptions of what happened in the creation of the second day. Da Malchus, Nachte min Yoma Dizbari Amod, this Malchus of Keshes, actually came down from the day where the world was created. B'Yoma Diva, the world was created on a cloudy day. The Ischaze Keshes, so rainbow should be seen. It says in parentheses, so I don't know if the reader or not. Uditar smola litat kafa, and the left became aroused in order to strengthen. Mar'ed muskvod Hashem, the countenance of the image of the honor of a Kodesh Baruch Hu. Here it says Isa smola litat kafa, and this is the left came out to strengthen. And I want to look at it like this. Before and then next brings that fascinating pasuk from Rachel. But before we get there, we have to look at this world as a prism. I believe Agdai sure has this marshal somewhere. I'm not. It's referenced in the Orgdayo. I don't believe. I know he has it somewhere. I'm using it to explain the Zohar Kodesh. The world is a prism. White light comes down into a prism, diffuses into all the bands of light which we have. So in the Olam HaSoyer, everything is unity. Everything is, so to speak, white light. It comes down here and it comes to the small. What does the small do? The small is the prism, because the small is where things separate, as we've seen, for better and for worse. So therefore, that refraction through the prism is the cause of the rainbow. That's the left, which comes down, takes the and here the Zohar is saying the Yom Eva is the prism. That's serves the same purpose. It refracts the light of comes down from the sun and diffuses it into the various different colors of the spectrum. So the idea of this world is a different kind of unity in Lama Soyanim, and the Zohar is going to describe it now in detail. It is the unity of disunity. It's the unity of a rainbow. Not the unity of white light, which is in Lama Soyanim. It's the unity of a rainbow, which has a glow, the Noga Sabiv. So therefore, obviously the reference is that in this world, everybody is different in this world, and that nevertheless the idea is of the Cheolamim, taking that connection with Shamayim down to this world, is that rainbow should be a coalition. As somewhat a political statement here in the United States, but even though the political statement, there's a truth to it. A rainbow coalition means everything in the rainbow should be united together to do Ratzon Hashem. So despite the fact that there's this unity, we have to, in this unity, find a commonality between ourselves and all connect together in order to be Oved Hashem in the disparity which exists here below. As I said, the Zohar is going to expand upon that, but we'll do that in Ratzon Hashem tomorrow.